Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add lipstick or to change a lipstick color on your image. So first of all, make a duplicate of the image and then select your lasso tool or the pen tool, anyone you're comfortable with. Make a selection of the lips like this, Now you can change the feather, you can play with the feather. May I've made my 5, and then you go to your adjustment layer here and select solid color. After you select, this dialog box will pop up. Now change the color to any color you want. So first of all, let's make it red and press OK. Now go to the blending mode and select soft light or overlay. So I prefer the soft light, and now there's it. So here we can change the opacity. We can change the opacity to maybe, I think this will be okay. So for you to change the colors again, so just double click on this icon, the red side, and then choose any color you want. You see, so you can see that it is changing. So you choose the color that you want for your image. So let's go for this color too again. So there's it. So let's see the before and after. Before, after. So let's change it to another color again. Let's go with the pink side. I think I love the pink. Press OK. Before, after. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please follow me.